So before we got started, there was a crew that came in and prepped this for you. You know, and they hung up some cleats. I believe they're 2x8, and everything is basically made to be able to screw in right to the side of those cleats in order to tack them in place. So do you feel like the preparation is key to something like this, or do you feel like you could have did the job without the cleats? Or
No, so beam layout, one of the most important things about beam layout is getting everything in line and squared so that when you go to do your beams, everything is square with your perpendicular pieces. And that is key to securing the beams as well as keeping everything lined up. So if you notice, the layout with the ceiling cleats was all took the lighting into consideration, the speakers, so that everything is centered. So even before the drywall, there were backers installed to secure the ceiling cleats.
so the preparation started at the beginning and the framing.
Beginning, even before the drywall.
Yeah.
So making sure that it's securely anchored, that the ceiling cleats are securely anchored, and that supports the beams. That way, if you have to put a lot of pressure on the beams to get them to fit tight, you know that your backers are going to hold.
So without a good preparation, you know, I think it would just make the job twice as hard. You know, so it all starts in the prep work. It started behind the scenes before the drywall even started, and you know, being that we had a good foundation in place, it makes your life a lot easier.
That's right.